Well, today I have a student. What is your name, sir? Mr. Ritesh Sonkar is here to sell something about the mobile battery. And, so, oh, wonderful, sir. What is the price? This tree color, it means Tiranga color. What is the price of this one?
15 rupees.
15 rupees. What a nice, so cheap. 15 rupees. That's great. I love it. And sir, which color would you like to buy, sir? Come here. It is free for you. Only choose and take.
Sir, this one.
This one, oh, same thing color. But it is only one available. It already has been sold. You have to choose another one.
Shopkeeper.
Yeah.
Show me.
Shopkeeper, come here, please. While standing there.
Sir,
This is shopkeeper.
anyone? No, this is land. This is land. It's okay.
There's available Bluetooth wireless earphone, sir. What a nice wireless earphone. Shopkeeper, why are going there?
Yeah, sir.
Shopkeeper. Huh? This is not new shopkeeper, sir. Jokes निकाल दीजिए सर. ऐसे काम नहीं करते. What do you do, भाई? Come this side.
Yes.
देखो, शॉपकीपर पीछे भाग रहे हैं.
This price. This is price.
300. 300.
How many long time battery life? Service. 4 hours.
And what is warranty? Is there any warranty guarantee?
No warranty.
Oh, no.